Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angi here with another tutorial. So today we are going to create some beautiful project using the Fuse tool. I have already done an unboxing of this tool, so don't forget to check the description box for the links. Also, I have added all the links of all the products that are being used in this video. So before we start with the tutorial, I would really like to show you some of the project that I have created using this tool. So this is the one clear tag that I have created. I have just added some sequence in it and some sentiments on it. So this is a really beautiful. You can use it as a bookmark and you can use for giftings. So this is the one. Second, I have created this circular tag. I have used pattern paper here in this project, and I have also added some sequence and decorated it with some element sheets. Then I have made this clear pocket. So I have used all the things I can. So I have also used elements, I have also used sequence, I have used sentiments and some tags as well. So this is really a versatile tool to work for your art and craft projects. I really love it. This tool basically comes with two blades. So here are the two blades. So when you want to make a hole in your projects, as I have done here, I have used this tool. And for sealing your plastic, I have used this tool. It rotates when you move it on your plastic. So one very important thing that I would really like to share with you is to work with this tool, always use something like this. These are known as a pocket sleeves. So this plastic, or the quality of this plastic is really friendly to work with this tool. So if you will use any acetate sheet or any hard plastic, you will not get the result as I got. So please, I will prefer you guys to use photo sleeves plastics only to work with the tool. So here is a small inspirational video for you using the Fuse tool and to make you understand better about its usage. So I hope this video was much helpful for you to understand this tool and how it works and what more projects you can create. You can really create a wonderful projects using these tools. So do let me know in the comment section about this tool, and if you really want me to create some more with these tools, or you want me to create some more inspiration videos using this tool, do let me know about the same as well. So if we see you next time with some more crafted talks in some more upcoming videos. Until then, happy crafting. See ya.